Here we got Luke fishing Silver Creek brown drakes for the first time. Beautiful night. You see him? There you go. Get one. Good. Come on, baby. Set. You got him. Nice and easy, 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 easy. 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 Just keep it tight. Just keep it tight. Good job. Rod high. Good. Nice and easy. Bring him right over to me. Nice job, Luke. Yeah, baby, finally. Bring him over to me nice and easy.
I'm trying.
You just take your time. Just rod high. Just keep it tight. It's still there. Keep it tight. Through your finger or up. Nice and easy.
I feel like I'm going too easy.
It's all right as long as it's tight. I'm just going to bring him up to the surface a little bit. Don't get any slack.
I'm trying to get him to you, but
You're okay. You're okay. Be patient.
You have him?
No, you gotta lift him up a little bit higher. Got it.
Oh,
yes! Awesome.
Oh, he's a good one.
Luke's first rainbow on a brown drake.
Can you hold this?
Oh yeah, a little better.
Oh, he's a big one.
Show me him. Yeah, baby, nice job.
It's probably the biggest one I've ever caught.
Yeah, nice rainbow. Let him go. Okay, let him go.
I mean, the bite wasn't as good. This is spinner fall. We didn't have any spinner fall last night. Yeah.
There we go, finally. It's a miracle. A little brown. Let me snarf that. Absolutely snarfed it.